So you're building a new house or updating that tired old bathroom and need a nice piece of furniture to fit your space. Then the Avanity Brentwood Vanity might be one to consider. With its transitional design, it can fit most design schemes. Avanity has built a reputation for their high-quality craftsmanship, cutting-edge design, and unique features like the soft close door or adjustable height levelers. Designers, homeowners, and even we continue to flock to Avanity. The Brentwood collection is offered in 4 different sizes, including a 25, 31, 49, and even a 61-inch wide version. You can buy the Vanity alone and provide your own countertop or choose one from Avanity. They offer an optional marble or granite top. If you opt to buy a combination set, you'll get the countertop and lavatory sink included. The Vanity is made from a solid poplar frame with an elm veneer. The finish is what they call new walnut. The 25, 31, and 49-inch are offered as a single bowl, while the mammoth 61-inch long supports a double bowl application. The square cabinet hardware is an antique nickel, and you can add a nice accent by buying the matching mirror. You can set the mood in your new master bathroom with an Avanity piece of furniture. Because of its quality, you can expect to enjoy it for many years to come.